Diesel component test in a compact form, the Bosch EPS 200. The EPS 200 is the first electronic injector and nozzle testing device worldwide with an electronic quantity measurement for the common rail injector test. The compact EPS 200 can determine in the shortest possible time whether tested parts can still be used. The EPS 200 can reliably test the following diesel components with a low overhead. Nozzle and holder assembly, both with needle motion sensor and from third-party manufacturers. UI nozzle, via holding adapter for passenger cars and commercial vehicles. Solenoid valve common rail injectors for passenger cars and commercial vehicles. Passenger car injectors made by third-party manufacturers can also be tested using the EPS 200. In future, it will also be possible to use the EPS 200 to test piezo injectors. The EPS 200 is equipped with a measuring cell for electronic quantity measurement and with a built-in common rail pump which can generate a continuous pressure of up to 1800 bar. This simulates a realistic operating status. During the nozzle test, the oil mist is reduced considerably by means of integrated extraction. All testing operations of the EPS 200 are fully automatic. The integrated database contains several thousand test specifications. By means of a CD test data subscription, the database can always be updated. Test specifications for injectors made by other manufacturers that are specially geared to Bosch testing devices can be obtained at www.refdat.net and loaded into the EPS 200. There is also the possibility to expand the database to include your own test specifications and test steps. To ensure this, the EPS 200 is equipped with its own PC board and a 2 GB flash card. The embedded Windows XP operating system is operated by means of a color touchscreen display. The menu guidance of the EPS 200 is simple and self-explanatory. Selection of specific test procedures, customer data, protocol and country settings can be selected in the main menu during setup. The measurement results are displayed graphically and numerically. In the first step, the nozzle holder assembly is selected by part number from the specification database. Next, the injection chamber is mounted on the nozzle holder assembly. Flushing is activated. Subsequently, the test procedure starts with measurements of each one of the opening pressures. This is followed by an assembly leak test. The nozzle holder assembly is checked for internal leakage. This test is followed fully automatically by the electrical chattering checks. In the next step, the leak tightness of the nozzle holder assembly is evaluated visually. Then the spray pattern of the nozzle holder assembly is checked. This evaluation is also visual. The individual results of the test are protocoled and can be printed out for the customer in a clearly arranged form at the end of the test. The removed common rail injector is identified via part number from the database. The test of the injector starts with a leak test. Once the injection chamber has been mounted, the fully automatic quantity measurement takes place. Here, the EPS 200 sequentially determines the values of the full load, return, idle and pre-injection volumes. The actual values are compared to the set point values stored for the individual injector. This enables a well-founded statement to be made regarding the state of the injector for the measured quantity. A number of injectors can be shown in one protocol. The printed log is easy for the customer to understand. The Bosch EPS 200 allows diesel component testing quickly, easily and with many benefits. The automatic test procedure eliminates time-consuming adjustment. Operation via touchscreen is intuitive and simple. The integrated database contains thousands of stored set point values and can be expanded as required. The EPS 200 saves space and fits in any workshop. The electronic quantity measurement delivers precise measured values. The Bosch EPS 200, a compact diesel component tester.